Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So what you see me doing is taking a baby wipe and applying some burnt umber paint to the front and back side of this wooden heart that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Before I get started deeply into this project, I want to welcome all of my new subscribers to my channel, as well as my returning subscribers. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, hello, and you are also welcome. I pray that each and every one of you are going to have a blessed day today. As you see, I am just making sure that this piece is dry by using my heating tool that I purchased from Amazon. Guys, what kind of weekend have you had thus far? I cannot complain. It's been really cold here in North Carolina, but let me tell you, no snow. I'm so disappointed. I don't know why, but I get disappointed every year because I be looking for snow in a climate that you really don't get snow. And now you see me taking these cubes from the Dollar Tree, and I am placing them on the back side of these wooden hearts, the smaller ones, because we are going to make a 3D raised image with bursting florals. Now I picked some of these little roses and I just applied them. You will see in the upcoming clip, but you feel free to use whatever roses you want to use. But right now I am taking and applying this burnt umber paint to the smaller hearts. I'm just not going to apply as much, if that makes sense. And also to the sides of the cube so that you won't see the natural wood poking through as much. And now I'm getting ready to affix the hearts to the center using this hot glue. And now I am dry brushing the excess paint off of my brush. This is the linen white chalk paint by the Rust-Oleum brand. And you see me now reapplying the jute twine hanger back to the top of this piece. And I'm taking some of that burlap and just covering up the back ends so that it won't be sticking out. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you anytime I upload anything to my channel. So now I'm taking these pink and white rose petals and I am putting them in the middle of this piece. I did have some pool noodles there, but I removed it and just glued them down in the center. And then I'm taking and making a jute twine bow. And there you have it. This turned out cute. I think it turned out cute. You guys got to tell me what you think. This piece is so affordable to make, and I think anyone will love it. So guys, I am so excited about the things that I will be bringing to my channel this year. Next week, I will be showcasing a different type of craft to the channel, and I hope that you all enjoy it. I pray that you have a great day. Be blessed.